In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of your WhatsApp contacts not showing. As you can see, I have several contacts here, but all my chats, I just installed the WhatsApp and the numbers are not showing. Now, if you come to, let me just show you this one. If you come to my contacts, that's my phone contacts. For example, I have over 20,200 contacts. And that is a significant number of 20,000 contacts, but it's not showing on my WhatsApp. I will show you all the steps that you can try to make sure that you get your contacts back. Now, first of all, go to your app settings. So for example, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp. So you tap and hold it and then click on this eye. Now, when you get to the app settings, go to the permissions. Normally, what happens is that if your WhatsApp app is not allowed to use your contacts, then if it is not allowed to access your contacts, then in that case, you will see that the names will not be appearing. Here, it is having WhatsApp has the permission to access my contacts, but if you have allowed it and it's still doing that, what I would tell you is that just remove it and then add it again. So as you can see, I have removed WhatsApp from having access to my contacts, and then I am adding it again. So now, if WhatsApp wasn't having access, it is now having access to my contacts. Then the second thing that I will want you to do is that you have to come to your contacts, go to your settings again and refresh your contacts. So now I'm going back to my settings, and then you will see accounts and backup. So from there, you go to manage accounts. So from there, you select the email that you have saved your contacts, your phone contacts to. I've saved it to this particular account. So you click on it, then you see contacts. So when you come, make sure that if it is turned to the left, make sure you turn it to the right so that it can synchronize your contacts. Now, if that is done, the next thing that you will have to do, if this is done and you still when you open it, still your contacts are not showing, as an example, come open your WhatsApp and then tap on the three dot, or click on the plus button at the bottom right hand corner, the plus button. Then when you click on it, you see three dot at the top right hand corner. Click on the three dot and you see refresh. So you click on refresh, and it will refresh your contacts for you. If you click on refresh and it doesn't refresh your contacts, then what I will advise you to do is that restart your phone. If you restart the phone and it still does not change, then I will advise you to delete to uninstall your WhatsApp app and reinstall it again. If you do this, you will be able to resolve the problem of your WhatsApp contacts not showing. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye.